Hello, today we have this Chinese trimmer. It is simple and effective, and it's a popular item too online. In this unit, it has some fault. At first, we can see that some rubber cap is missing in bottom part. It should have something like this, but it's missing. But the main switch is intact, so we can on and off this switch. But you can see it's not working. And another problem is the missing screw. It has only one screw, but second one is missing. So we have to collect one similar screw and install it in here. Now we will see that why it's not working. Is the battery okay or not? There is a multimeter in voltage DC. You can see it shows 0.008. Also nice. It means the battery is faulty, so we need a new battery. Here I have one. Let's measure its voltage. 4.17, fully charged. Insert the battery. You can see it works, but we need this screw and this cap. I have a similar screw and we're going to screw it tight and secure. Now it's ready to work again. So we replace our battery, insert a new screw, and now it's time to work with this part. Here is our cutting mat and here is some rubber piece. Cut it like this and trying to fit this. If the small piece doesn't fit inside here, then try to glue it like that. That will work too, like this. So now we will try to stick it with adhesive glue. We have to apply this glue both sides, both here and also in here. We have to wait few minutes, 10 to 20 minutes, then we will come back and attach it. So now they are dry enough to attach themselves. We need to press it so they can attach together strongly. No, it's not. The adhesive gum not work with kind of rubber or silicone, so you have to think something else. I don't know what you can do. So now I'm going to try this both side foam type thing. I already apply our rubber thing. Now remove this yellow thing and apply it here, and still is not working properly. What I can do now, I can try super glue now. Maybe it will work. Let's apply some surface and before it dry, press our rubber cover so they can attach. Maybe it will work. If it's not work, then I will keep it as it is. Finally, we can fix it with super glue and looks good. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and help my channel to grow. You can do this right now. It's here. Press it. Press the button. Thank you for your subscription.